showing you everything about the lines. So people are running from red, green, or pink. So let's say you have a friend that is on the green and blue, right? And they want to know where is the start line, for example. Then it's gonna show you the start line. You can ask anything to the software. But yeah, so this is the start line for the green and blue. Shooters heroes.
For anyone that is running the race, taking part in the race for the first time, what would you say is your kind of overarching advice for race day? Is there anything that you would say that is just kind of the go-to for those people that are very worried?
Yeah, I think it's to remember that the marathon should be the fun part now. It should be the part where you enjoy it and you get to be part of this huge community. Coming into it, they've probably done all the lonely, cold miles and the rainy miles. You know, we live in the UK, and I've been there too, and it's raining. And marathon day, there is so many people out there with one common goal, which is to make it to the finish line. And regardless if you make it, regardless if you don't, you made it to the start line, and actually that's 99% of the journey. So I think it's, you know, be proud even before you start the race tomorrow.
We are Fasten Up. We have electrolyte products. They are great for hydration and energy. These are electrolyte tablets, effervescent tablets that you put in water, and when you drink it, you are energized for your workouts, runs, everything. There are 9 flavors, so maybe you can show the products. We have zero sugar and we have with sugar as well, both the products. You put that in water, and different flavors have different content of sugar, but it's mostly less than 1 gram of sugar. Yeah, you can try the samples.
It's good. Mojito?
Yes.
Mojito is good.
Yeah.
And
Summer fruits.
so the composition, it's quite straightforward. It's electrolytes.
Electrolytes and vitamins.
Perfect.
It's great for when you're doing any activity, you sweat, you lose electrolytes. So you need to replenish that, and water is not enough.
There's less pressure for us to have to run and complete it. If this is your only time, what do you reckon?
I know, do you know what? It's one of those things, isn't it? When you have a niggle and you're like, oh, is it something? And you choose to ignore it because the race is too important, which is what I did. And then I did a 22-mile run, and by the time I got home, I couldn't walk. I was like, oh, I think it's turned into something. And at that point, you have to decide, do I want to risk it getting worse so I cannot run for a long time, which if you love running, you want to be able to run. Or do I pull out and then another race another day? I mean, that's how I kind of thought about it, and I cried a lot.
Esther, have you ever pulled out of a race?
Yeah, Sunday's London Marathon. Pulled out of that. I mean, I think it's problematic because of that word niggle, because that sounds kind of cute, and it sounds as though you could go on with it, and actually I have learnt to my cost that tiny little feelings can just evolve into awful, awful injury. I mean, I haven't been running properly for about 4 months because I decided to ignore a back niggle. So yeah, not a good idea.
Is that bad? You could just decide, I'm going to walk today, and there's absolutely no shame in that, but also you're going to be so motivated to get your training right next time. So that'll be my first lesson for you. Don't try anything new, but also don't eat anything where you don't fundamentally trust the cook or the cooking method, and there's no risk in that.
Don't start too fast. Please remember that bit. Be patient, control your first few miles. Break up the route into those landmarks. What were they again? Big boat, big bridge, sort of big wheel over there somewhere, big clock, big house, big finish, you're all done. Get those mental strategies we spoke about, concentrate, get that trickery, all worked out so you know what to do. Mostly, have a lot of fun. You are here to enjoy yourself. Contrary to everything I've just said about like getting you all worried. You will enjoy yourself, you will have a magic day. Right, thank you very much. That's Ace. Good luck.